catch the church bells.
The store stays open late, huh?
Yeah. Well, during the week.
You find your note with your cigar place? She's not there yet. She ain't open.
Maybe this weekend or Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, something like that. Party going on. What's their front door on the road? They do. Six minutes.
Where's the church?
You did good. Watch out for the speed bump. Another one.
Why are you filming it? It's gonna take a picture.
Because as soon as we get there, the bells are going to be dinging.
What?
Ringing.
We're here.
We're here to pick up our laundry at the Hizzy. And listen to the church bell. Ring. About any second now. Alright, I think we did good. We did good. We did good. We got to enter through the pearly gates. It's the, yeah, that one, this colored looking one. The church bells are going to be striking soon. Coming through the pearly gate. Yeah, it's up. I'll be waiting with my bells on. Time is it? 4 minutes? 1 minute. This is how they irrigate the 13 acres of plants. Ponds. Irrigates that whole lower section through gravity. Those hoses over there siphon it out. It's pretty cool. Technology. Old school technology. Oh, look at those cherry tomatoes. Little patch. What time is it here? It's 8 o'clock. Pretty rad. Catch you later.